If you have made calls on Snapchat but don't want them showing up in your chat history, here is how you can remove them. First, open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. Scroll down until you find the Clear Conversation option under the Account section and tap on it. Next, select Clear Conversation. Here you will see a list of all your conversations. To remove any call history, find the specific conversation, tap the X next to it, then confirm by selecting Clear. Keep in mind that this will delete the entire conversation, not just the call history. Unfortunately, Snapchat does not currently offer a way to delete only the call history without clearing the full chat. Once you clear it, the call history will be gone along with the rest of the conversation. That's it. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.